Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for US crude and natural gas. Last week as I predicted and I have been giving this shout for last couple of weeks that crude oil is going to hit $100 level and natural gas is going to hit $5 levels or 5,000 levels in my as per broker to broker, and both targets have been achieved. I hope you all had profited. However, the crude and natural gas both ended the week with a good drop. US crude closed at around 91.5 levels and natural gas at 44.8 levels. Now, what is going to happen next week? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to press the like, share, subscribe, and comment button, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily and weekly analysis for US, Europe, UK, India indices and gold, silver, crude oil and natural gas commodities. Now, one video I specifically share for early in the day with the Asia session, and it includes all the global markets and commodities including gold, silver and crude oil and natural gas as well. So it sets the tone for the day. It decides, I give the levels to trade for throughout the day, and definitely it helps you in your day trading decisions. So do press the bell icon. Now let's start the day with natural gas first. Now this is the weekly charts for natural gas, and as you clearly see, it is trying to give you this rise, and now the support levels at $4.4 levels are definitely going to be a stronger support for this week. And in fact 4.3, I will say till 4.3 itself you can expect it to remain bullish. So possibly this week if you see it trading above 4.5 levels, yes, you can go long, or 4500 levels, depends on broker to broker, you can go long. This time it is going to go past $5 levels definitely. So if you see it trading above 4.5 levels, go long and expect it to rise strongly. Now the base right now available at around $4.4. Below $4.4 you can expect it to break. And how far this could go? See, $4.4 is going to be a very strong support for natural gas. Below that it will try to again come back to 4.2, 4 and 39.5 levels, 3.95 levels, sorry. So it can come back to these levels. Below 4.4 levels you can expect it to break. However, till the time it remains above 4.4, and specifically if you see it rising beyond 4.52 or 4520 levels, definitely it is going to rise strongly towards 4800, then 5020 or 5.02 levels, 5.2 levels. Definitely it can achieve. Beyond 5.02 you can expect it to achieve 5.2 levels as well. Also look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly charts you will find that now this is still the high it is trying to maintain, and this is the channel in which it is trying to trade in since long. Despite this breakout and getting the support at 3.5 levels or 3500 levels, it is trying to rise again. So if it breaks this zone at 5020 anytime this week, definitely it is going to hit again $5.5 levels or 5500 levels. Remember, mark my words, if it breaks 5.02 or 5020 levels, definitely it is going to hit 5500 levels. You can take your positions accordingly. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, it appears, see, this only one trading session left in the month. Probably it may try to close here at around 4400 levels or somewhere at around 4600 levels. In between this it may try to close and then start the next month. If you see it trading flat and going above 46 levels, definitely it is going to give 5.02 and 5.55. This time it is going to achieve higher highs. So with the support here, definitely this time it is going to rise strongly in the month of March, and you can expect it to hit long towards $5.6 levels or $5.7 levels can also be achieved. On the flip side, see, there is a support you can see very clearly at 3500 3600 levels or 3.5 $3.6 levels. If it breaks any point of time in the month of March, if you see it breaking this, definitely it is going to come back again towards this zone at 2.6 2.7 levels or 2600 2700 levels. So this is regarding the monthly analysis. Also on the monthly analysis you can see lower highs is what we can see, and any point of time in the month of March, if it breaks this zone at 5300 or $5.3, definitely it is going to rise higher, and this time it will try to achieve $6 levels or 6000 levels also. Now this is on the monthly charts. Let's come back to the daily charts now. So we have seen the weekly and monthly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, we have seen See, this level at 4400 or $4.4 levels is a very strong support. I have told very same thing last week also, till the time you see it remaining above 4400 or $4.4 levels, one can remain long. Similarly, this time again, once you see this trading above 4.52 or 4520 levels, definitely you go long there, and beyond this level it is definitely going to give you a stronger rise towards 4800, and this time it will not stop at 4800, it is going to go past $5 levels also, or 50 levels also. It may definitely try to achieve this week. So take your positions accordingly on the daily charts. At the same time, if you see it breaking below 4400 or $4.4 levels, I think it is going to go again towards here, somewhere here at 4200 or $4.2 levels, and then below that also it may try to strike 3.95 or 3950 levels. So this is what it appears. I think it is going to get a rise again from here, and possibly once you see it trading above 4500 or 4520 or $4.52 levels, definitely it is going to rise strongly. I will give you the trading levels towards the end of this analysis for natural gas. Just before that, let's have a look at the indicators here. Now look at the indicators on the daily charts. You'll find that how important this level is. This is the 100 period moving average. This is the 20 period moving average. Both converging here at 4400 or $4.4 levels. Now this level at 4.4 is very important. Now breaking this, it will again enter into bearish territory, where we can expect it to drop towards 4200 $4.2 levels or 3950 $3.95 levels. Below that, sky is the limit. It can drop heavily in the month of March itself, where you can expect 3.5 and 2.9 levels also getting achieved in the month of March itself. So be little cautious. Look at the stochastic on the daily charts. It is nearly overbought, trying to drop from here, and may try to continue this before trying to looking forward to a rise. And probably if it trades above 4520 or 4.52 levels, yes, that is the level only I will recommend you to go long, and below 4400 only I will recommend you to go short. That is what is the expectation here. Probably there is a curve or crossover, because the MACD lines are converging here, trying to cross over. If the crosses over, possibly it may enter into bearish territory for near time frame. That is what it appears for natural gas. We have seen the indicators. Now let's have a look at the indicators on the weekly charts also, though it doesn't matter much on the for the weekly analysis. But look at the weekly charts here. You can find. Now see this 20 period moving average here. This is the 20 period moving average, which is lying at around 4520 or $4.52 levels, and that is why I say if it trades beyond 4.52 and specifically 4.54, if it trades beyond this, definitely it will enter into bullish territory again. The next target is towards 4720 $4.72, and then 4900, and then 5020 levels should get achieved on natural gas. This is what it appears. And weekly chart, the DPO is in red, then the stochastic comfortable. There is a possible crossover on the bullish side may happen on natural gas, and then it will remain green for the rest of the trading weeks. That is what we are looking forward to. Now considering all this, let me give you the trading levels for the week. So first let's talk about where you should take a buy entry. You should take a buy entry when you see it trading above 4540 levels. That is $4.54. So I am giving the levels in thousands. Just note it. 4540 levels. Beyond this, it will rise towards 4700 or $4.7 levels. Beyond that, it will try to hit 4920 or 4.92 levels, and then directly the range is towards 5020. It may try to hit this zone 5020 and 5050. So these levels are very important. If it trades beyond this zone at 4540 and specifically 4700, it can continue to rise towards 5050 levels. Beyond this, sky is the limit. It can trade or rise towards 5200 and 5500 levels. If not this week, then in the month of March we will see it trading at these levels. In fact, can go to $6 levels in the month of March. So take your positions accordingly. Now, but let's have a look at the shorts, where you should enter a short or where you should sell this. So you can take a sell position at 4380. Here, if you take a short position, the next target and the strongest support at 4200 levels will come into picture. Please read this as $4.2. Please read this as $4.38. Now below this, I will expect it to hit 39.50, and below 39.50 it will trade or drop heavily towards 3700, 3600 and 3450. So yes, below these levels only, below 39.50 only, I will be bearish for the rest of the month. Till the time it remains above 39.50, I will expect it to bounce back. And for the month, my target is towards 5500 and $6 levels. So it will definitely try to achieve $6 levels or $5.5 levels in the month of March. I am still bullish. You can take your positions accordingly, but below 3500, below 39.50, yes, you can remain short, and below 3500 I will be extremely bearish. You can expect a good drop there. So this is all for natural gas. Now let's have a look at the crude oil. See, this is the weekly chart for crude oil, and you can see lower high, higher lows and higher highs. So it has achieved and in fact broken the high of this channel and definitely failed to break the low here, and that is why I say so this is the weekly chart for crude oil, and as I said, beyond these levels, till the time it remains above 9200, one can remain long, one can expect it to rise. One see, it has continued in this channel, it has achieved the low, achieved the high, respected the low here, did not break below, and any short this week is only below $90 levels, where you can expect it to drop for 8900 or $89, and then towards 8700 levels. Below that it will break heavily, it is going to break heavily below those levels towards $84 levels. And at the same time, the rise beyond 9200, you can take a long entry, or $92 levels, you can take a long entry. The first target is towards 95.40 or $95.4 levels, and beyond that it will rise towards 9800 and 9900, that is $98 and $99 levels. So this is what we can see on the weekly charts, but let's have a look at the monthly charts also. On the monthly charts, you can see this is a third green candle, successive and consecutive green candle. Now I'll be looking forward to it. The bottom here for this month lying at around 8400, 8500 or $85 levels, you can say, and for the top at around 1000 or $100 levels. Now it is, if it crosses above this, then the body size is half of the total candle. Definitely you can expect that possibly the next month also you can expect it to be green, and it may achieve $100 levels before trying to drop. So that is one expectation. It may achieve the double top at $100 levels before trying to drop next month. That is one possibility, because these are third green candle, and possibly we may expect a fourth green candle also. And also one must observe that it is still trading in this upward trending channel, the bottom of this lying at around $89 level. So any break below 89, any break below $89 levels will be a good indication that it is going to drop towards $87 levels, 87.50, that is the support, and then it will try to break towards 8400, and below that, sky is the limit, it can try to bottom towards $75 levels also if it continues to break below these levels. But I'll give you the levels at the end of this analysis. First, have a look at the detailed analysis on the candlestick chart, followed with indicators here. Also look at this, the $100 level definitely has given it a stronger resistance. So any rise beyond $100 levels, it is going to remain unstoppable, and it is going to achieve further highs. See, it is touching this level at $100 levels after a long time, after long time, after this zone at 2013 to 15 year, 2013 to 2015, almost 8 to 9 years after it is touching $100 levels. So possibly now it may try to hit 110 also. It can continue to these levels also, because it has seen this level at 100, which is a stronger resistance. Beyond that also it can definitely rise. Now let's come back to the daily charts. On the daily charts, now let's have a closer look. First of all, on the daily charts, you can find that how beautifully the lows are restrained or confined in this upward trending channel. Also, the after the retracement, see, minor rise, retracement, bigger rise, retracement, further bigger rise, retracement, and this time further bigger rise. So the size of this rise is increasing with time here, and possibly this time it has come back to this level after that is below $90 levels after almost 1 week. That is, previously it was trading at these levels, now it is trying to rise. Now this level at, you can see this level at 8900, how beautifully it has supported it for the further drop here, and here at 8750. These two levels are very important for crude oil. Breaking 8750, yes, you can expect it to drop. How far this could drop, it will again come back till towards 8600 and then 8400 or $84 levels. So be a little bit take a little bit of caution here. Also, if you see it trading beyond this zone, that is what I had said in that is what we have seen in the weekly charts also, that if you see it trading above $92 levels, go long, it is going to rise again, and this time the rise could be further high towards 90, first target towards 95.40, and beyond that it will definitely rise towards $98 and $100 levels again. At the same time, breaking 8950 or 8900, definitely it is going to hit 8750 or $87.5 levels, and below on the downside towards $84 levels also. Now this is on the daily charts. Now we have seen here the weekly, monthly and daily charts. Let's have a look at the indicators here. What does the indicators are indicating? You can find the indicators that here is the 20 period moving average, which is giving it a support at around $91 levels, which is going to be a good support, and towards downside $90 levels, which is going to be a good support. Below that $89, 87.5, and below that 84.50 levels should get achieved. On the upside, the Bollinger Bands, the top of the Bollinger Bands lying at around 94 or $95 levels. Beyond that, definitely it will rise strongly. The stochastic on the daily charts looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over on the sell side on the daily chart, but it can again cross over because the curve or divergence is not much. Also, look at the weekly indicators here, trading above the 20-50-100 moving average here. It is strongly trading in a strongly bullish zone, almost at the top of the Bollinger Bands. After this consistent rise, this is the first time it is trying to stabilize. Also, it has seen a good rise before trying to drop, and hence I will be interested if it breaks this zone at 8750. Definitely I can expect it to drop, else it can continue to rise. And if you see the stochastic on the daily weekly charts is overbought, looking forward to a rise, looking forward to a drop, and that is why I say breaking below 8950 and 8750, definitely it can break again. See, the last time, let me show you something here. Last time this was the rally, similar rally for weeks, and on the weekly charts this was the rally. Here it was overbought, stabilized here, then drop for successive weeks. Here also this was the rally, it is overbought, and now looking downwards, and that is what we can say. If it breaks this zone, definitely we are going to look forward to another correction where it can come back till towards $80 levels and $75 levels. So be watchful, be cautious here on the weekly charts. That is what the indication is. And the MACD lines are also trying to converge, so a little bit cautious. Now considering all this, let me sum up and try to give you the trading levels for the week. First, let's talk about the level to buy. Above 92.40 or $92.4 levels, you can go long. The next target is 94.10 or 9.41, and then 9500 or $95 levels. It can try to hit this, and the nearest resistance at 95.40. So till here it can rise, and then we can also see a drop, but these are the levels which definitely you can expect if it trades above 92.40 levels. And then beyond 95.40, the next target is towards 9700 or $97 and $100. I think it will try to, if it continues to trade above 95.40, you can expect it to give it a good rise. If not this week, then next week probably it might try to trade above $100 levels, and beyond that, sky is the limit. It is looking forward to $110 levels in few weeks. Possibly if it trades above $100 levels, then only take your positions accordingly. Also on the flip side, because it is overbought, we have seen on the weekly charts the stochastic dropping. We have seen that probably it can sustain that. If it sustains, first if it sustains below 89.50 levels, go short here. Below 89.50, the next target is towards 8800 and then towards 87.50. Till here yes, it can rise and bounce back again from these levels towards 9240, 9400 levels. Else it can drop below 8750. The next target is 8500 and 8400 zone. This is going to be a very strong resistance zone for natural crude oil to drop further. Below this, directly it will land to $80 levels. Remember, below that it is going to directly land towards $80 levels. So take your positions accordingly. I'll expect it to rise again, but the weekly stochastic and the charts indicators are indicating a possible drop. So only possible confirmation of drop is below 8950, and 8750 is the level below which one can remain bearish for the near future, and you can expect it to drop. This is all from my side. If you like and appreciate my effort, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any trading or training related queries, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram IDs and email IDs mentioned in the description. Also, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon. You can be part of that training session, and definitely you can become a proficient and efficient trader. With the help of strategies taught, you can definitely earn some good profits in trading. So reach out to me for details via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.